Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your chat themes on Telegram. So let's jump right in. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Tap on the settings option from the bottom right corner of your screen. In the settings menu, find and tap on the appearance option. Under the appearance settings, tap on chat themes to view all the available themes. Browse through the available themes and select the one you prefer. Finally, tap on the Apply for all chats option to set the new theme for all your conversations. And this is how you can change your chat themes on Telegram. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.